but this is you have to do self study. It is very important to do self study.
I think it is good for those students who can't learn and think quickly. So tuition is best for those students.
No, it is not good because a children who cannot learn, he is dependent on school and tuition.
Some of the students they are dependent on the tuition because they are thinking that if we are going to a tuition, they are not doing self study. They are wholly dependent on the tuition. They are thinking that I am going to tuition, I am good at, I don't need to do self study.
But some of students are going in tuition. They are not study. They are going to for playing in tuition. The tuition teacher clears their doubts.
My advantage towards coaching classes is that the students who are preparing for courses like NDA, UPSC, it is good for those students that they can solve their doubts, they can clear their doubts, and they can understand many more things related to their goal.
If children go to coaching, so they think that they can cover the school syllabus at coaching also.
The students are going to the tuition, they think that they will cover the school syllabus, but I think so they revise that thing and they need to learn about new things, a unique thing, new thing in the tuitions, because that syllabus can be taught them in school also. So if they will learn a new unique thing, so it's as for them.
But some of children are doing prepare in home also. They are not going in tuitions. They can self study also.
But some of tuition teachers are giving homeworks to student. By that, student cannot revise his school course and cannot do his school homework.
Parents has to pay the double fees of tuition and school also. So
Some of the parents could not afford the tuition fees, and that's why the children can't clear their doubts in tuition. They have to do self practice by themselves.
To clear their doubts, because doubt can be asked to a school teacher also. They can ask during their classes because it's their right. They can ask their tuition, they can ask to their teacher their doubts. So it is not a way that they are going to a tuition for asking their doubts.
But some parents have not fees to pay in tuition.
Some students are not doing their self-study. They are totally dependent on tuition.
Tuition teachers give extra question for revising the chapter. Then a student will be revise the question.
In tuitions, teachers clear students' doubt, and some of the students are like that. If they cannot understand in a school, so they can ask in tuition also.